Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how you can get the Google Plus subscription for 12 months absolutely for free. This has been trending really around the Instagram and YouTube, where people are just saying comment Google, comment Gemini, whatever, but no one is actually telling you how to actually get this offer on your Gmail account. Now if you watch this video fully, carefully and follow all these steps, I can guarantee you will be getting the Gemini offer on your email ID, because I have also got one as well. Now without wasting time, let's start the video. So first step is to go to internshala.com website. When you will be on this website, you have to sign up. So first we are going to sign up with the Google. This is the easiest method. Now what you have to do is select any account. I am selecting this email ID. Just click on continue and you will be on this page. Now what you have to do is fill all of your details. I am filling it up and I'll be hiding my information as well. Now in the type option, you have to select the college student. So when you will select this college student option, you can select your course. I have BTech, and you have to write your college name. Now in the start year, you have to write at least that start year. If you're choosing BTech, so like end year would be 4 years before, so I'm writing 2027 as the end year and start year as 2023. Now after you have filled all of your information at that page, you can now just select anything from this. Okay, so after selecting all of your area interest, just click upon the next option. Now you can just click on jobs, internship, work mode, anything. Okay, and now just click on this find me opportunities option, and you would be just logged in with the Internshala. Now your account is created. So in the description, I have given this link of this offer. Now you would be getting Google AI Plus plan, and it's not the Pro plan, but it still have so many features for like 12 months. It's absolutely great. You can get, I think, 400 GB of storage, many offers, and yeah, many things are there. Now you have to click on this claim now and start the free 12-month trial. Now it will show you can't redeem offer, this account is not eligible. So this will happen because I already have this mail. As you can see in my profile icon, there's a circle around it, means I've already activated a plan. So this will be redeemed over the free mails. So if I just switch out, so now I have switched out with the mail ID that is not in this offer. So now you can see I've got this page. Now with $3.99 offer, don't worry, no money is going to be deducted from your account. Only verification money, about 2 rupees, will be deducted. You have to click on start trial and you can now select pay with UPI, save and continue. And now as you can see, UPI QR code. Now this will be starting today and this will be ending at August 10, 2027. Okay, and yeah, just subscribe it. It's free, so no money is going to be deducted. Now what you have to do here, now this will be a QR code which is scannable. You have to take out your phone, scan this. Now this would take only 2 rupees. Like in my phone pay, it's saying pay ₹2 and set up auto pay. Okay, so no money will be deducted. And as you can see, the auto pay is set successfully and it's done. Now we are going to click on the done. Now you might think this page is stuck. So is my offer activated on my email ID? Now if you refresh it, so you will see can't redeem offer, this account is not eligible, and it's the same account. And you can see in the top right corner on my email account that the offer has been activated. Now in my drive, if you see, 400 GB has been added automatically by this free trial. And if I go to Gemini as well, now in the Gemini you can also see there's written as plus. It means that plus plan has been activated on my email ID, and it's really very easy. Now after you have set it up your auto pay, now after this you have to go to your phone pay, Paytm, and you have to just click on delete auto pay or just pause auto pay. Otherwise on 10th August or maybe at any time you are activating this offer, after 1 year 400 rupees will be deducted from your bank account, but right now it's absolutely for free. I hope you have liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.